What's up guys, this is Gabe from SNP Innovations, and today we're going to do a product video on the uC-10. Now the uC-10 is Haltech's new digital display. It's pretty cool, so we're going to do an unboxing real quick. And pretty neat packaging. Nice brand new uC-10. It's pretty wide. See the communication cable port. On the back side we have an antenna, and we have the this is the 34 pin connector that we would wire in and out of the ECU or the display, and that's going to be for all of your functions. That's going to be your power supply, but it's also going to be your CAN bus communication to the Haltech ECU. But you can also wire in your blinkers and stuff like that. So it's a pretty neat product. So that's what it looks like there. We'll have a full video on one of these days. We also have our adapter kits. So our adapter harness is pretty neat because it plugs right in to the back of here. And what this does is this allows us to plug right into your Toyota pickup truck. The 22R chassis, it'll be the 80s and then early 90s 22R and 3VZ chassis. So basically your factory engine harness would plug directly into these connectors here, which will give you your blinkers. It'll give you your e-brake. On a late 22R, which is like in the 90s, early 90s, it'll give you your speed sensor because those are electronic speed sensor. It'll also give you your fuel level gauge as well. All that stuff can be calibrated inside the Haltech computer or the Haltech IC uC-10. And then what we have here is CAN communication and a few extra inputs and outputs. Speed. So if you were to wire in a digital speed sensor, like I said, in the 90s, it has a digital speed sensor as opposed to the early in the 80s, it was all speedometer cable. You can wire in a speed sensor here if you were to do an external one, or if you're going to do a GPS, you can wire that in here as well. So it's a pretty neat setup. This works out pretty well. And then we also have dash mounts. Display mounts are pretty cool. These take the shape of your original gauge cluster. And when you take the shape of your original gauge cluster, it means it's going to bolt right in to the factory gauge cluster location. So it makes it really, really simple to bolt these in. You don't have to cut your dash up. You don't have to modify anything at all. It's a really, really simple deal. This one right here is for a 22R pickup truck. This would be the 80s. And then that just kind of bolts right in to all your factory locations. You still have your communication port. On the back side, you have access to everything you need here, and there's holes for it to screw right down. So it's a pretty easy deal. Makes it as seamless as possible, and we try to make this as seamless as possible and offer this as a kit with all of this included. So what you'll probably see on the website is you're probably going to see this with a drop down for the dash mount, with a drop down for the IC7 or uC-10 adapter. More of a product display, but it shows more in depth of some of the items here and how this functions work as well. So if there's anything you'd like to see, any other products, any other videos or something like that, please drop something in the comments. And don't forget to do all that stalker stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us, all that cool stuff. We need all that content. This way we can help bring the videos that you guys need, and let us know what you guys need to see. So we'll bring more content like this. So that's it. Gabe from SNP Innovation, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.